this tutorial, I'd like to give you a general overview of what your Blackboard course will look like for your PD1 lab. And the course could look just a little bit different depending on who your instructor is and how they customize it. But I just want to give you a general idea of how the course is going to be laid out. It's important to note here that this lab is not a fully online lab. You are expected to attend in person each week, and we provide you with materials that supplement your face-to-face lab. So we call it hybrid instruction. So you'll notice here on the lab homepage that we provide you with a folder each week that has everything that you need for the week. So if you click into the Lab 1 folder, you'll notice that in Lab 1, which you're participating in right now, we are providing with an overview of the technology that you might encounter. So using Blackboard 9, also we're conducting a social media audit and discussing different standards and what's expected of you as a Texas teacher to know in terms of technology. We're also going to help you set up your chalk and wire program portfolio that is going to be a really important piece in PD1, 2, 3, 4, and also in your student teaching. So you're getting a chance to look and see what that's going to look like throughout the rest of your program. And so you'll see your instructor is going to go through a lot of these materials with you. And I'm not going to go into detail on what they are now because your instructor is going to do that, but I just want to give you an idea of how each folder will be structured. You notice these little breadcrumbs up here. They help you navigate to different places in the course. So if I want to go back to the home page, I can click on Lab Homepage, and that takes me back here to the main home page. The other way to navigate in the course is over here on the left-hand menu. And so you'll notice a few things, and I'm not going to go into detail about a lot of these because you're about to watch tutorial videos on, for example, how to send an email message and how to submit a discussion and how to take a quiz and how to submit an assignment. But I wanted to show you that those are available over here on the left-hand menu as well as in your folder here on the home page. Two items on the left-hand menu I do want to point out are the lab information section, and that is where you'll find your lab syllabus and the lab schedule. Those are two very, very important documents that you'll definitely want to print out, but you can always find a copy here in the lab information section. Also, maybe and perhaps most importantly, is the Getting Help with Blackboard link. If you click there, you'll find the contact information for the Blackboard Help Desk, and I encourage you to contact them anytime you have a technical issue or an error or an assignment won't submit. Anytime you're having problems with Blackboard, give them a call. They are wonderful. They can take over your screen and fix the problem for you. They also keep a log of who's called so that if you are having problems, we as instructors can call and make sure you called them and actually did try to get help with the problem. So definitely write down this contact info. If you're off campus, there's a toll-free number. Just be sure you click or choose option 3 to get through to the Blackboard Help Desk. Also notice they're not open 24/7, so you need to call them in the hours that they're open here, and that's typically until 10 p.m. each night. So that's it for a tour of what your PD1 lab course will look like. Now you're going to proceed on to some tutorial videos on how to actually submit assignments, take quizzes, send mails, and post discussions.